Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2010 Holden Captiva 5. This shape ran from the 9th month 2006 to the 2nd month 2011. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.4 litre CG petrol 4-cylinder backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. We have the left front door, left rear door. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Rear tailgate in tidy condition, has 2.25 dents. Has a tidy bumper cover. We have the right-hand tail light in tidy condition. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior, grey inserts. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy console. Gear lever, factory AC controls, tidy display cluster, has a tidy interior sun visor, center interior light with sunglass holder. Right hand sun visor in tidy condition. Has a tidy leather steering wheel. We have the power window driver's door master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.